Today, we're in a beautiful field of hops in Granger at Carpenter Ranch. I'm talking with Brad Carpenter, who owns the ranch with his brothers.
How does this hop become a glass of beer?
You see that good looking yellow stuff in there?
I do.
That's called lupulin, and that has all the essential oils that bring flavoring to beer. Hops are typically dried in the kiln. We'll take them to the processing unit where they're pelletized. And the pellet form is typically what most brewers will use the hops to flavor their beer. And the fresh hop beer, they take these hops themselves. They'll take a bag of these and they'll pour it right into their vat.
Wait a minute, just right off
Right off the
branch
vine,
like you just
yes.
picked, and then they just drop them in.
They just dump them in.
Hops are unique in the way they grow. They split into two large vines, so it takes a special setup to support them.
First, make sure you have a big, strong trellis to support the weight of that hop, because that plant grows about 18 feet and it spreads out another 4 or 5 feet. And you see this is a string made out of coconut husk.
Yeah.
The string goes all the way to the wire, and that's where the vine grows around that string all the way up to the top. It's a great plant, a very prolific plant. I mean, to grow 18 feet every year, unbelievable.
Now I'm meeting with Brad's brother, Mike, to tour their processing facility during harvest. To start our tour, we walked through the plant where hops were being cleaned and separated. Next, we went into the kiln where piles of hops were being dried out.
They're almost dry. They've been here for about 8 hours, okay?
Oh, yeah.
Feel the difference in the weight?
Yeah.
Really fluffy, huh?
Like clouds.
Yeah, they're down to about a 9.5 to 11.5 moisture rate, okay? So basically, we still are maintaining the integrity of those lupulin glands.
Right.
That's what the brewers want.
Our final stop of the tour pays homage to all the hard-working brewers that use Yakima hops.
So this is our Hall of Fame for our craft brewers. We're very proud of them.
Wow, I have a lot of homework to do, Mike. I don't know all of these.
Or you're gonna have to go try them all out, okay?
Try them all out, right?
All right.
What must this have been like for your ancestors 6 generations ago?
You know, that's something my dad always says. He said he'd give anything that my great-great-granddad would be able to come and see what we've done.
Science and technology are amazing.
Absolutely.
It's really a lot more technical than it was when I was a young man. And I think it'll be different 20, 30, 40 years from now.
To end our day, Brad and I are tasting some beer made with Carpenter Ranch hops, starting with a lager.
Cheers, let's take a little taste here.
Oh, I like that. I like everything about that.
Isn't that nice? It's got a little citrusy background to it on the tail end, but yet it's got some hoppy flavor to it.
Now I'm trying an ale brewed with fresh hops.
Wow, I like that too.
Do you? The hop flavor in this is from a fresh hop, which is a green hop right out of the hop field. And they have to get in their brew in a matter of 24 hours. We're excited about being involved in the hop industry. It's a lot of fun. A lot of work, but a lot of fun.
I can see that.
Hops really love that dry climate that we have here in the Yakima Valley. Hops are very photosensitive, so they have a photoperiod or a day length that triggers bloom development. So when that day length changes, it's good for good yields because you get more bloom developed. All those factors combine to a great place to grow hops.
And why hops need to be grown in Washington.
Yeah.